Time now for the sports injury tip of the week, brought to you by Apple Physical Therapy, with 20 clinics around the Sound. Here's Chris Seagrave with a serious topic, emergency neck care.
It's a frightening sight. An athlete lies unconscious following a blow to the head or neck. Of course, your first response should be to call 911, but then what? It's critical that you assume the athlete has a serious neck injury until you ascertain otherwise. The athlete must remain still and be protected from movement. Place your hands on either side of the head to stabilize the neck until help arrives, and remember these critical precautions. Do not move the athlete. Do not remove the helmet, cap, or any article of clothing, as this may cause the neck to move. Do not use ammonia inhalants, which may cause the head to jerk. Do not give liquids or food. Do not worry about delaying the game. Next, CPR may be necessary if the athlete is not breathing. A football face mask can be removed by unscrewing or cutting the plastic loop straps with a tool such as an anvil pruner, allowing access to the airway. If you are a coach, make sure you have the tools necessary to remove a face mask at every practice and game. If you have questions about managing your sports injuries, please contact me via our website at applept.com.
That's your tip from Apple PT. Local roots, local ownership, local commitment.